Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different cute crafts by using different things which is available to us at our homes. So at first we are using a surgical mask and we are making a small cute bag with it. You can see how we have stitches the ends and made the bag. Now we will make some decorative and will decorate the bag. We are using the other part of the bag to decorate it. You can see how we have given the cuts and rolled it. Now this is ready. Next, we will use an eggshell and we will put some tissue into it after tearing this. You can see we have put the tissue. Next, we will add some water. Now you can see this is balanced. Next, we will draw some lines to make the texture of the cartoon, and next we will make the face. You can see how cute and beautiful it is looking. Next, we will make the hat with the green color chart paper. We will cut it in the flower shape and we'll paste it, and you can see the hat is ready and this is completed. Next, we'll draw some green lines on a circular shape paper and we'll make the stems, and next we will use some small clays to make the flowers, and next we'll make a big bee with the clay. You can see the craft is ready now. Next again we're using some small paper and we are folding it. You have to fold it in the same way as shown in the video and we will make a craft with it. You can see how we have done it and we have pasted it on the paper, and we are making an umbrella and made some raindrops with the clay. Next again we are using some different color clay and we are making some insects. You can see we have made the mud in between and we have made the face to the mud, and this is the beautiful craft which is ready now. Next we are using some clay and we are pasting it on the paper and we are making some leaves. Next we will make some living water bodies with the black color clay, and you can see this is completed. Next again we will use a blue color paper and we'll fold it in the same way as shown in the video. We'll make a polo t-shirt with it. Yes, the same t-shirt which is kept on the table, and it is very easy to make, and this is ready. Next we are using a red color paper and we have made a heart out of it. Now we will make a flower. You can see how we have folded the paper and we have cutted it, and now we will paste it to make the flower, and you can see this is ready now. Now again we will take a blue color paper and we will cut it and we will roll it with a straw. You can see we have rolled it and we have pasted it with the straw, and this is the broom now. Now again we will take a blue color paper and we'll fold it and we'll give a square shape to it and we'll cut it and we'll make a dress for a girl with it. You can see the upper part of the dress is ready. Now we'll make a frock with a graphic paper, and this is ready now. Thank you very much for watching the video.